ODS is operational data store. Our daily ODS load involves loading data to many ODS tables. So in this performance improvement, we fixed few problems. So the problem number one, SLA issue. ODS load was running more than the usually estimated time. Hence there was huge dip in our SLAs. Problem number two, partial data load. 100% data was not being loaded to ODS tables. So we fixed that in this performance improvement. Problem number three, weekend mainframe maintenance was not taken into account. Hence, zero records were being loaded on Sundays. We used the concept of accessing mainframe tables using vsam files. By using that method, we have reduced the runtime of the job to half. The job was running for 3.5 hours. Now the job is running around an estimated time of 1.5 hours to 2 hours. We have created many dependencies in our ODS load. Hence, 100% data load has been achieved. For Sundays, we have designed the job in a way that only when the mainframe maintenance is completed, the data load will start.